Difference between fixed and fluctuating capital method of accounting. The main points of difference between the fixed and the fluctuating methods of accounting are as follows. Number of accounts. Under fixed capital account method, 2 accounts are prepared for each partner capital and partner's current account, whereas in fluctuating method only, capital accounts are maintained. Adjustments. In fixed capital method, all adjustments of transactions like interest on capital, salary, interest on drawing, etc. are done in the current account, whereas in another method, all these transactions are done in the capital account. Fixed balance. In fixed capital account method, the balance of capital account remained unchanged unless there is an investment in capital or withdrawal from the capital, whereas in another method, the balance of capital account fluctuates time to time. Credit balance. The capital accounts in fixed capital method always shows a credit balance, whereas in fluctuating method, the capital account sometimes shows a debit balance. Distribution of profit amongst partners. The distribution of profit and losses amongst the partners is done as per the ratio decided through deed. If there is nothing mentioned, then the profit and losses will be distributed equally amongst all the partners. In a partnership firm, it is important to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account to calculate the final amount of profit and loss to be distributed amongst the partners in their profit-sharing ratio decided in deed.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.